Hey there, friends. Mike here, back with you. Today, I wanted to share with you a tip and a trick about accessibility. I was reviewing this slide presentation, and PowerPoint flagged this table with an accessibility issue. And the issue is that it doesn't have alt text. Now, you may or may not know, but a best practice for accessibility is to make tables readable. Um, Now I could type all of this out by inserting a table from PowerPoint, or I could copy it from another application. But that's time consuming, and there's a lot of data here. So I'm going to enlist the help of ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this image. And just a quick tip about that is I tried this earlier and just doing a copy paste from the PowerPoint, and ChatGPT did not like the image. So what I went ahead and did is snagged it and then pasted it into, and then I'll paste that into the um, chatbot. So let me go ahead and show you that here. So I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, and I've already entered my prompt. Said I have a table issue that's an image in PowerPoint. I need to make it accessible. Can you help me with this, please? Let's see what they say. Absolutely. Excellent. So I can either upload the actual entire PowerPoint slide presentation, or I can paste the image. So let me go ahead and paste that. All right, and I'll upload it, and I'll be back with you in a moment while it's analyzing. All right, excellent. It is done analyzing, and you can see here, I actually have it has downloaded it into an Excel spreadsheet. It says if you need help inserting this into a PowerPoint formatting for accessibility, um, just let me know. But we'll try to do this by hand. So I'm going to download the slide press or the power. I'm sorry, the Excel sheet. I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and let's see how it did. Oh, excellent. Look at this. Oops. So there we go. I'm just going to, let me just do this. And we'll go ahead and copy. And all we're going to do is just copy these cells and paste them into the PowerPoint. Before I do that, though, you notice it didn't capture all these words down here and up here. So I'll add that by hand. So what I'll go ahead and do is duplicate this slide just so I don't lose that language. And then I'll go back to my initial slide, and I will delete. And all I'm going to do is paste that in there, and look at that. There it is. Now that would work, but PowerPoint does give us some options here for categorizing or for making this look nice. So I'm just going to go with this one, and boom, done. That looks great. You can see now that this is accessible because I could delete that information. I'm not going to, of course, but I just wanted to show you that. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while I enter the text to show you what it looks like as a finished product. All right, we're back. I've added the text that ChatGPT did not capture, which was pretty easy to do. So again, this is the new version created from the old version. So really easy to do using ChatGPT. Made this very easy. But we're actually not done yet, because you can see here there are some errors or alerts, and let's go ahead and check those out. It says slide 3 is missing a slide title, so we're going to go ahead and add that. And oh gosh, there's not really any room on my slide here, so I'm going to add a hidden slide title, and we'll just say percentage of sexually active students. Okay, and we need to verify the reading order, which is also Really easy to do. So I'll go to verify reading order. Let me go ahead and move, just make that a little bit bigger for you. All right, so we're going to go to um, your slot right here. So we're going to move this. Actually, let's see here. Oh, the title needs to be moved up to the top. Let's see if that does it for us here. Is it still coming up as flagged? Nope, that's all. Oh, it is. Sorry. So let's go ahead and verify that again. All right, so what's next? I'm not sure what that's flagging. Oh, this number 3 here. So I think we'll move that down to the bottom. I didn't add that. So we have the title, and then this text box should actually probably be in front of the title. All right, and then there. Let's see how it looks now. Is it? Oh, so you can see it's all done. All right, so again, just to recap, we had an inaccessible table, and we used ChatGPT to read the image and to convert it into an Excel file. We copied and pasted it into the PowerPoint presentation, and then all we did from there was just verify a few other things, like making sure it had a slide title and the reading order was correct. And also, just one note, we didn't need to add any alt text because a screen reader will be able to read this. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, always feel free to shoot me an email. All right, I'm back with some bonus footage for you. After I concluded the last video, I sent it over to our wonderful accessibility specialist in FCPS, Molly, and she reminded me that I actually didn't have to type this text in at all. I could have used AI to extract the text for me. That takes a special command or prompt, and that prompt is optical character recognition, or OCR. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so I pasted in our data set again, and then this time I added the prompt, can we try this one again? I also want you to OCR the text above and below the data. Let's see how it does. All right, so the chatbot has completed its task, and you can see here that it extracted the words or the language above and below the data set. And now all I have to do is copy and then paste it into my PowerPoint presentation. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, again, please just shoot me an email and I'd be happy to help.